up YouTube? Chapo back with another video. Today we're gonna be getting into the diffuser. It's already on, but it's simple to get on and off. I took it off before I went to Korea, and when I got home I just slapped it on because I was too excited to see how it looked. But this is it. And we just gotta drill some holes into the diffuser. I never noticed it didn't come pre-drilled, so I'm gonna jack her up and bolt her in, pretty much. Before this video gets started, go watch my other videos, like, subscribe, share all the videos, all the content I'm pushing out. It's for you guys to watch. Yeah, enjoy the video. Here we go.
Damn, shout the beat, you stay on beat.
Alright guys, now that we got her jacked up, I'll show you guys how I'm be drilling. Hole right there, right here, and so on. I think it's one right here. No, it's not one. But it's all the way through over there. So I'm about to go ahead and get to it. That's what I'm gonna be using. I bought this today. Just ain't getting nothing too expensive. Drilling some holes.
Damn, shout the beat, you stay on beat.
I don't know why it just cut out, but I'm still doing the first hole.
Damn, shout the beat, you stay on beat.
Alright guys, got the first one in. The two ends are push pins, so I'm gonna just do I'm gonna go across now. I think they all align, so I'm just going, yeah. I'm gonna go do the other side. But this is it, the undercarriage and all. I'm just gonna put y'all in the corner and do a time lapse. See ya. Alright guys, I just got done bolting it up. I'm gonna show y'all the end result pretty much. I bought these little screws from Mopar website. Oh, y'all can see that. Come on, focus. Let me turn off this light. Dang, still can't see. Well, that's it. Install the diffuser, nice and sturdy. Got my pins in on that side. I'm gonna take care of that when it's time to add on my body kit back on. But yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. Go ahead and take this out real quick. I want you guys to see it. I've been meaning to bolt this diffuser up for a good minute now. Oh, I got her done. Yep, that's it, guys. End result. I don't know if you guys can see that really, but she's looking pretty now. Dang, she thick, what? That's it, guys. My next video, my car just gonna be coming together nice and slowly, man. That's the end of the video, guys. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, give me feedback. Let me know what I'm not doing, what I am doing. Just tell me I'm doing good or whatnot. See you guys later.